Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a GIF in Canva. Before we get started, give us a like and subscribe as this really helps me out. So you have a few options to create GIFs. You can use the templates tab and have a look at what templates there are available. As usual, there's loads of cool templates you can use. Just hover your mouse over each one and you can see how the GIF works, or you can create your own from scratch, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to click on the Create tab, and GIFs are basically short looping videos. So I'm going to click on Videos, and I want something square for my GIF. So I'm going to click on Square Video. And I'm going to start creating my GIF. So I'm going to say it's for something like a happy birthday. So I'm going to type in birthday cake to get some images. Then I'm going to click on graphics. Then I'm going to filter by animated graphics. So let's have a look. So I quite like this one. So I'm going to add that to my design, and then you can move it about by dragging and dropping it. And I'm going to want some text saying happy birthday. So I'm going to click on text, type in, well, let's have a look. So when you click on the text tab, you can have a look at like different font combinations, which are usually quite good, or you can just add text boxes. So I'm going to click on this font combination, which I quite like, and that will be added to your canvas. So I'm going to add in my birthday message, happy birthday, by clicking on each and editing. And then I'm going to move it about a bit. I'm going to put it to the side a little bit, make it a bit bigger so you can easily drag and drop. Then I'm going to animate the text as well. So clicking on the text, and then I'm going to click on animate, and you can add different animations. So just hover over each one and you'll see what it does. So I quite like the tumble. So you can do it on enter and exit, and you can add on effects if you want. I'm just going to preview this and see what it looks like by clicking on the preview button. So it's quite long there, so I'm going to come out of this, just move that to the center a little bit, and if you want to make it just a little bit shorter, you can drag and drag it on the timeline just to make it a little bit shorter, and then drag the other elements to make sure they match. So clicking on each and dragging it in, then I'm going to preview again. So there's my GIF, couple of seconds long. I'm quite happy with that. So when you're happy with your GIF, you're going to click on share and then download. And you can download it as a GIF short clip with no sound. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.